Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Clyde bot on Discord. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you didn't know what Clyde bot is, Clyde is Discord's AI chat integration for your server. It uses OpenAI's technology and you can do a load of cool things with it, so it's currently an experimental feature. However, it is free to try out and you can do a load of cool things of it, like discover new things such as knowledge, jokes, tips. You can play trivia games with it. You can get recommendations for the new movies, books, or a local restaurant, and you can also express yourself and send it GIFs, memes, and it will react just like a normal human would. So to start with, if you want to access Clyde in our own server, what we want to do is we first want to open up Discord, and you want to open up the server like I have here. Now what we can do from here is I will click on this drop down here and it will give us a few different settings. The one we're looking for is server settings, which is the third one down. And now from here we just want to look for apps, which we can find here, and we want to choose integrations. Now something I will say now is because Clyde's experimental feature is actually really new and they are still testing out really slowly. So if you're lucky on your server, you will have an option here above webhooks that says enable Clyde, and if you do have that, you can go ahead and enable it, and then Clyde will then be enabled on your server. However, like I said, because it's so early, Clyde is not yet available for every single server, so you make sure you check this out on your own server. And if you do have the option to enable Clyde, be grateful because you are very lucky to have this feature so early. Now if you don't have this option like me, don't worry, it will be there soon. They're currently testing out with a few different people, so I want to have feedback and they understand all the bugs. They will be able to roll it out to the public, so in the next couple of months they should be available for everyone and it should be really good for your Discord. I imagine it will help a lot and be really useful. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.